Alright, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I received your buy data from Good Day Agency under Jazz, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, ma'am. My friend, ma'am.
Alright, remind yourself that you come here to work and not to meet up with your friends, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, ma'am.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because I heard Malaysia is safe country, ma'am.
All right. Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Because the Singapore and Hong Kong, ma'am, there's your the payment and salary had a deduction.
All right. Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
I'm Jenny Ihas. I am 31 years old. I live in Canlaon City, Negros Oriental, Philippines. My birthday is on January 1995. I have my live-in partner, ma'am, with one daughter, 8 years old. I am a Roman Catholic.
All right. I need to know some few more details from you first, Jenny. So your birthday is January 21, 1995.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 100, 151 centimeter and my weight is 70 kilogram.
154 or 151?
154.
Are
Sorry,
you
ma'am.
so sure? 154.
154.
What is your educational background?
I'm finished in high school graduate, ma'am.
You mentioned that you got one kid which is 8 years old. So who will going to take care of your kid later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My live-in partner, ma'am.
How old is your live-in partner and what is his occupation?
32 years old, ma'am. He is a farmer.
All right. Is your live-in partner allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have my two brothers and one sister.
What is your rank in your family?
I'm the youngest, ma'am.
All right. What about your parents?
My parents is still alive. My mother's name is Didina Ihos, and my father's I don't know where is he.
Okay. So, remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home because you were going to sign a 2 years contract.
Yes, ma'am.
Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of
Yes, ma'am.
contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
What comes into your mind that you wanted to work as a domestic helper?
So that, ma'am, I can afford my something that I need and I want to help my family like financially, ma'am.
Okay, so do you know that working as a domestic helper is not that so easy?
Yes, ma'am. I know,
It
ma'am.
is a very tough one. And
Yes, ma'am.
you need to expect those unexpected things because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in Philippines.
Yes, ma'am.
Houses here is very big one. Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
I am ready, ma'am.
According to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience in Cebu way back 2019 to 2021.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it housemaid?
Yes, ma'am. Housemaid and nanny, ma'am.
So you worked there for 2 years.
Yes, ma'am.
Stay in maid, stay out.
Stay in, ma'am.
Okay, so can you share it with me? What is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in Cebu?
My job responsibility is assisting my 5 years old. Um, I was doing wash their clothes and washing dishes and ironing, and I'm also gardening, ma'am.
You do cooking?
Yes, I did, ma'am.
All right. After 2021, do you have any working experience?
No, ma'am, I'm a full-time mom.
So 2021 until recently, you are a full-time mother. Okay, so can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
I
cook?
did early. Yes, ma'am.
All right. So what cuisine you can prepare if you know how to cook?
Ma'am,
What type of
so,
cuisine or dish you can cook if you know how to cook?
Filipino cook, ma'am. But I'm willing to learn, ma'am, like watching YouTube and cook recipes.
Okay. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yes, ma'am.
You can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, please come and work properly. Don't give us problem unless there is harassment inside the house or anything that is inappropriate. Okay? But
Yes, ma'am.
if you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries.
Yes, ma'am.
Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children also at the same time. Any problems,
Yes.
any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
Being
ma'am.
a first timer, normally homesickness will frequently attack you. So how will you gonna handle it later?
Ma'am, sorry po, ma'am.
Homesickness will attack you anytime and anywhere, mostly that you are a first timer. How will you gonna handle it later?
I wanna, I want to keep busy. I want to my mind keep busy, and after work, ma'am, I will call my family.
All right, I think that's all for now, Janely. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay? Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much and
ma'am.
have a good day.